Hi, my name is Jesse, and today we are going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency. Decentralized, or peer-to-peer, means that there is no single controlling authority. Bitcoin network participants can transfer coins directly between each other. Transactions are stored in a distributed ledger known as the blockchain. Each Bitcoin network participant has a digital wallet where coins can be stored. Each wallet has a unique address which is used as an identifier when making a transaction. The sender should specify the Bitcoin address of the recipient and the number of coins to be sent. While anyone on the network can make transactions, some nodes act as transaction verifiers. They are often called miners due to the significant amount of work they perform. When a node makes a transaction, it sends it over the network. Miners gather such transactions in a block and try to seal this block by performing computations. If they are able to solve a mathematical problem at hand, they propagate the block to the network. The biggest block which was sent the first and accepted by other nodes wins. After that, the process starts all over again and nodes start working on the next block. Why would the nodes perform complex computations in order to seal the block? In the Bitcoin network there are two types of incentives available, a transaction fee, and a coin release. Bitcoin transaction fee works in a similar way to a bank transaction fee. Network participant pays some fee to the miner for his transaction to be added to the block. Coin release is a special type of transaction that a miner assigns to himself when forming the block. Since there is no central authority that controls the Bitcoin network, no one issues new coins. So Bitcoin network is designed to issue new coins with every new block. Each new block is being formed approximately every 10 minutes. And approximately every 4 years the amount of issued coins within the block is halved. The amount of coins in circulation is limited to 21 million in total. When this value is reached, only a transaction fee incentive will be available for miners. Obviously, Bitcoin does not have any value itself and is not backed up by anything. Although you may argue that it is backed up by the amount of energy spent on mining. So, how do you convert it to fiat currency? Lots of exchanges emerged throughout the years and they operate similarly to stock exchanges. One person is willing to buy Bitcoin and another one is willing to sell it. If the price is matched, the specified quantity is traded. If a lot of people are interested in Bitcoin, its liquidity is high. However, because Bitcoin value is formed only based on the belief, its volatility is quite high. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Jesse, power off.